Demolition is not just about bringing down a building or structure, but it is an art that requires precise calculations and advanced techniques. Today's video will take you into the fascinating world of demolition, where you will understand the scientific process and safety factors in each explosion, ensuring that the surrounding environment remains unharmed. Witness the moment when a large house collapses in an instant and the magnificent scene when a giant bridge shatters mid-air. If you find this video interesting and want to explore more about demolition techniques and construction, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos in the future. Demolishing structures is not just about removing old buildings, but an essential step in the process of urban renewal and development. Sometimes old buildings are deteriorated, severely damaged, or no longer meet the needs of users, and demolition helps ensure the safety of the public. Old structures may also obstruct new development projects, such as building high-rise towers, commercial centers, or vital infrastructure. Furthermore, demolition frees up space for constructing more modern, environmentally friendly buildings that align with societal growth trends. Each demolition is carried out with careful planning to ensure safety and promote sustainable development in the surrounding environment. This clip captures the scene of an industrial silo in Hokkaido, Japan, being destroyed due to deterioration over time, reflecting the consequences of lack of maintenance and the impact of aging on industrial structures. In 2003, old apartment buildings in the Bronx were demolished in a controlled explosion. Dust and smoke rose as the structures collapsed, marking the end of an era and paving the way for urban renewal. When the apartment building collapsed, thick clouds of dust quickly engulfed the area. Immediately, workers operated high-powered water hoses, spraying directly onto the debris to reduce the spread of dust. The scene shows workers using explosives to demolish the base of the old bridge. Powerful blasts shatter the concrete and steel structures, with dust and debris filling the air. Fragments fly in all directions, creating a chaotic sight. A dilapidated apartment building in China is being demolished after complaints about its condition. Heavy machinery rumbles, concrete shatters, and dust fills the air. Residents watch as the building collapses, leaving only rubble behind. The clip captures the demolition of a cooling tower. Chunks of concrete break apart and fall to the ground, with dust filling the air. The old tower gradually disappears, making way for a new construction. A university in Australia is being demolished, with walls and roof tiles torn apart and chunks of brick falling to the ground, creating a pile of rubble. Thick dust fills the air, obscuring the surroundings. The university, once a place of learning for many generations, now stands in ruins, soon to make way for a new project. A crane uses a large wrecking ball to demolish the building. The ball is dropped with force, smashing into the columns and causing the concrete to crumble. Thick dust fills the air, and with each strike, the structure of the building gradually collapses. Demolishing a building with heavy artillery is a powerful method, where large caliber bullets are fired directly at the structure. Each shot causes powerful explosions, shattering walls and columns, creating a chaotic scene. Chunks of concrete and brick fly in all directions, with dust and debris filling the air. The building gradually collapses under the force of the gunfire, leaving behind a scene of devastation.
Oh, there you go. Oh, the one on the left is going right good. Look at it. Oh, it's on the other side, that one.
No! Witness the heart-stopping moment when a massive silo demolition goes horribly wrong. Instead of falling in the planned safe zone, the silo veers off course and crashes into a nearby house, causing significant damage. A dilapidated wooden house stood precariously in the village, posing such a risk of collapse that no one dared to climb up and dismantle it. The villagers tied ropes to the beams and stood at a safe distance to pull it down gradually. Following the signal, with one decisive pull, the house came crashing down completely. Demolishing a house isn't just about tearing down walls. It's about ensuring safety, applying the right techniques, and being mindful of the surrounding environment. We hope this video gave you valuable insights into the importance of safe and responsible demolition practices. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more engaging and educational videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.